Hello everyone, my name is Marek, welcome to External Star Channel. Today I will be unboxing this huge big box, and it's so big that it doesn't even fit into my screen right now. So what I'm gonna do is now that I'm gonna cut it here, and maybe you noticed already that this came from CK Model Cars DE, and this is where I ordered this recent update of my collection. And yeah, as you know, that this retailer is from Germany, and it was actually quite fast because it was delivered to me in something like 2 or 3 working days, which is quite impressive. Alright, there is a lot of mess inside, and actually something I was looking for. And these are these beautiful figurines. So I actually ordered a set of those 4 different figures made by American Diorama. And as you can see, all of them are 1 to 18, and later I will use them for my very special diorama that I will be building later this year or early next year. And for this I really needed some policemen, and as you can see I have 4 different ones. It's not all of them are not the same, they are really different, and today I will just unbox them and see if they are really so great, because one of them was like, I don't know, 10 euro or something like that, maybe slightly more, 15 euro, I don't remember exactly. But now let me just first unbox them, and then the second thing I will do in this video is that I will also review them and tell you if they were a really good buy or not so good. Okay, cool. So that was the second one, and I will just return this back, and then I will probably throw this away because I usually don't need that, and I don't think that I will resell them. So usually I'm keeping the box and everything, but in this case I will just throw it away. Oh god, no, it shouldn't happen. I don't want to destroy anything. Okay, I need to be really careful because I don't want to break anything. Last time I broke a leg of one of the figures, and then I was crying in the corner the whole night. Okay, so now very carefully removing those, putting this back, okay, here aside, and now let's start with the review. And I will first place them here and then check them one by one. Okay, so my favorite tool, and let's start with this one. And actually what we can see here clearly that the eyes, the face and the skin, everything is quite decent here. And we have the white t-shirt, and then some small details here on the jacket, and also this symbol here. I don't know what exactly this means. It's more like somebody from army. It's not really a police, right? I don't know, I'm not sure. And also if somebody can help me identify if this is New York Police Department or what kind of police is then wearing those blue parts, and you know. And we have those shoes, and yeah, there are not so many details on the shoes. And then this big gun, I don't know what kind of gun it is, M7 or yeah, it can be anything basically, but it's a big one. Okay, and then we have here the walkie-talkie, and that's basically it. And I think it's very detailed here. And also when you check here the finger, maybe the finger, yeah, could be here, there is a black color on the finger. It should be the skin color here as well. Okay, so just small detail. And also if you check the fingers, there are no fingernails, and maybe something that somebody could fix. I'm not sure if I have the capabilities to do so, so I will just probably keep it like it is. Okay, so that's the first one. Then we have the second one, and this one has a regular small gun, and also not 3 stripes, only 2 here, brown hair, and yeah, the face is very good. There's nothing bad, nothing wrong, and also the hair is pretty good. Maybe only here it's too flat, you know. We have the 3D effect here, but here it's a little bit flat. Okay, no worries. And then obviously the same equipment, like yeah, some walkie-talkie and few more pockets, and basically the same shoes, the same color, and I like it. Very detailed indeed. Okay, so that was the second one. Now the third one, already a gray hair. That's the oldest one. And yeah, probably the same details. The walkie-talkie, a big gun, again the same gun like on the first one. Here again, you know, it's probably very difficult to paint it here correctly, because where is the end of the hand and where is the start of the gun? It could be a little bit more black here in this area. Okay, maybe also here, this finger. I know it's difficult to paint it, but for 10 bucks I think that's a good job, because there are also some other figures like for 200 bucks each, and then I would expect that everything is so precise, like this could never happen. And yeah, the shoes, okay, everything is okay. Yeah, I like this one too. Okay, and the last one, who is already pointing the gun, and I don't know what is the target, but obviously, yeah, that's a good one as well. So that was probably the captain here, because he has 3 stripes. All of the others, they have only 2 stripes here. And walkie-talkie, the buttons here, also the belt with all the details. Okay. Oh, here. Look at that. Maybe this part here, the handcuffs, it could be also silver. It's just plain black, and I don't think this is correct. But that's just my opinion. And also you can see some holes here. Like for example here, there is a small hole. I don't know why. But I think overall that's a very nice figure. Okay. So yeah, so these are the 4. Let me just also give you a little bit closer look at all 4 of them. So here again you can see all those details. This one quite good, this one also, and yeah. Then I can arrange them in any order I want, and then it would be really great for my diorama. Of course I would need also a police car, and there are actually plenty of them from Greenlight, Auto Art or Motormax, and I can choose from many different, so I don't see a problem in that. And that would be another step in creating my diorama, and of course I will also post some videos about it. Right now I'm only collecting figures, cars and ideas, and then I will just make it happen. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, guys. That was just a short video. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.